Are you fed up with the old and worn out appearance of your bathroom? Ready to do away with the drab colors and add some vibrance to the room? Perhaps you are ready for a complete overhaul of your bathroom, but just are unsure of where to turn. Home Services Unlimited, or HSU, can take any bathroom and transform it into a work of beauty. Their 29 years as a licensed contracting business have given them the experience it takes to tackle any job and do it right. With HSU, you do not get the runaround. They provide straight and honest communication so that you understand what they are doing every step of the way. They are licensed and insured and have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. HSU is a family-owned and operated business that is proud of the job they do. They have plenty of references, so you can be sure that when you hire HSU to do a job, you are getting quality work with a professional team. So if you're ready to have your bathroom remodeled or refinished and you live in the Great Falls, Burke, or Reston, Virginia areas, call HSU at 703-926-5339. They offer fast and free estimates without all the pressure and arm twisting that you get with other contractors. That number again is 703-926-5339. Or visit them online at www.hsullc.com.